Welcome to our channel. Today we how to determine how much life insurance you need. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your financial situation. Calculate your current debts. Include mortgage, student loans, and credit card balances. Consider your future financial obligations. Think about college expenses for your children. Estimate the total income your family would need. Typically, this is based on the number of years until retirement. Next, evaluate your current life insurance coverage. Identify existing policies and their payout amounts. Subtract your current coverage from your total financial needs. This will help you understand the gap. Consider factors like your age and health. Younger, healthier individuals often qualify for better rates. Explore different types of life. Term life insurance is often whole life insurance offers decide on the type of policy. Use online calculators to input your financial data for a tailored estimate. Consult with a financial advisor if you feel uncertain. Professional advice can provide clarity and direction. Share your findings with your family. Involve them in discussions about financial security. Reassess your needs periodically. Life changes such as marriage, children, or career changes can impact needs. By following these steps, you can determine the right life insurance coverage for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.